I have never shot a firecracker in my life. Ever.
You missing out.
I have no desire. My mom put the fear in me way too early. She used to let us have the little sizzlers, and that's about it.
Yeah.
And what's the little black things that like, this kind of sizzle on it. Yeah. That's no fun.
Shaw, tell him, Kelsey, tell him this is how you watch the fireworks in the comfort of your home.
Air conditioning. Comfortable.
You should be able to see the fireworks on Halloween.
You should be able to because you straight.
Yeah, they was late.
I heard Todd City snapped you up. You never sang good.
Oh, you did it again today.
We're going to thank our host for the evening, allowing us to come out of that sweltering heat. Thank you, dog.
I deleted the message. I should have said, dog, always be like, dog, what you doing? I'm like, dog, I'm downstairs. I got you right. Come on. And then I was like, who? And then I would go by. And then he's like, I got company. That's what he did today. Like, I got something. You upstairs? I'm tripping. I'm sorry. Come up there. But I'm like,
Yeah, it is. Right. That's all the real one.
Shut. Aaliyah, what did you think of the concert? Thumbs up. That's an amazing amount of commentary you just gave there. Say, Ma, what did you think of the concert?
I didn't think he was going to be quite that good. Sound just like his records.
That's great. Uh-oh, I think that might be the finale. Brandy gives it a thumbs up. Mr. Palmer, thumbs up. There it is. They got on a barge out there. We don't know what Aaliyah's doing right at this moment, but it looks weird. Oh. Can I call it? Can I call it? I told you this is the right spot to look at.
I know now.
And
walk fast in order to
the
get
party
it.
done.
And the party.
Now that we